Hey babies, it's Joynavon and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new, then welcome. So today I'm back with another natural hair video, and in today's video I'm going to be using the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Collection to style my twist out. So first up, I'm taking their leave-in conditioner and I'm going to put this all over my hair. So this is not freshly washed hair. I did a wash and go about a week ago and it's gotten old, and so I just picked it out and got my hair wet with a spray bottle. So you don't have to do this on freshly washed hair. I didn't co-wash it or anything. Like I said, it wasn't necessary. So now I'm going to use the twisting souffle from the same collection, and these are the only two products that I'm using in this entire tutorial. So I know you guys said that you wanted to see me use some of the collection in a video, so that is what this is for. I have used these products in conjunction for a twist out before, and literally it comes out the same way every single time. This collection is bomb. I don't have the entire collection. I have a couple products, but I do enjoy basically everything. I mentioned them in my products favorites or best products of this year video. I don't know, it was like a recent video that I did and I told you guys that, so I'm not going to be reviewing it or anything, but I did just want to show you guys the products in action. These are the two main products that I use from the Pomegranate and Honey collection, the two main ones. Although, like I said, I do enjoy the products that I do have, which is the shampoo, conditioner, also the moisturizer. So there's a few products that I would recommend, but these two products overall are my two favorites. So the leave-in conditioner and the twisting souffle. So this is your typical twist out tutorial that you guys have seen me do before. But like I said, I'm just used the leave-in conditioner on my hair, and then I'm just taking my hair section by section, adding the twisting souffle and then detangling it with a comb, and then just 2-strand twisting as usual. And this is pretty much my process whenever I do a twist out. Sometimes I do my twists a little bit bigger. Usually I do them a little bit bigger, but this time I wanted smaller twists for, just more defined hair. So that's what I did. Also too, I do want to note that you do not have to do your twists in neat sections or part them or anything like that, because it will be harder for you to kind of get rid of the parts and everything when you go to pick out your hair afterwards. So keep that in mind. I usually just part with my fingers and just call it a day. So now that I have all of my hair twisted, I'm just going to sit under the dryer, and I was under this dryer for about an hour, I want to say. This is my Glow by Day hooded dryer attachment. I will link it down below in the description box of this video if you guys are interested in checking it out. It works really well. I've had it for a while and it's super lightweight, so it's easy for me to just keep it on my head while I watch TV or do my makeup or something like I did here. So now that all of my hair is dry, I can go ahead and start unraveling it, and I'm just going to put some oil on my hands first before I start, as always, because you never ever want to take down your twist with dry hands because it will create frizz. So if you guys didn't see my perfect twist out video that I did a while back, you should definitely check that out, because I go a little bit more in depth on how to properly, neatly take down some 2-strand twists so that you always have the perfect results. But just speeding through, this is what my results are looking like, and as you can see, it is very defined and it looks really moisturized and hydrated all at the same time, because this collection definitely will give you some hydration in your hair and some added shine, which I love it. My hair doesn't feel crunchy or anything. As you can see, there's no flaking. It dries really fast because the product is not heavy, but it's I don't know how to explain it. It has a hold to the product, but it's not, you know, it doesn't make your hair hard at all. My hair is really, really soft. It smells amazing because the collection smells amazing. So I have nothing but good things to say about Mielle's Pomegranate and Honey Collection. It is a yes from me. Now this part is optional. Of course, you can rock your twist out however you would like to, but I'm just going to go through my hair and start separating it just a little bit more, just for some extra like volume and fullness to my hair. Now usually I don't like my twist outs until they get pretty old, like around day 3 or so is when I start liking them, because it's just older, it has more character to it, it just looks more like, you know, a fro, but I have like curly ends, so I really, really like that. But this is how my hair turned out. I'm just adding some edge control to my edges. This is from Care. It's my new favorite edge control, as I told you guys in my last video. But yeah, that is how my twist out turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below on what you thought of my hair, if you have this collection, if you're interested in trying it, all of that good stuff. Also, too, follow me on Instagram at joynavon. I am the same on all social media platforms as well. If you're just interested in seeing more of my hair, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and check out some of my other hair tutorials, and I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye.